Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make your dirt bike louder. Today we have a 50 F 2022 and this is my brother Abram. Today we're going to be taking this off. With the 2022 you need a 8mm, so let's get to it.
Okay, this is before.
Okay, now we're gonna take off these two bolts. There's normally 3, but we lost one, so let's get to this.
You take the baffle off, and then you have that big old exhaust right there.
So now we're going to show you what it sounds like now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.